In mint condition is a phrase used to describe something that is in perfect, pristine, or as new state, without any flaws, damage, or signs of wear. It implies that the item appears as if it just came from the factory or original source, retaining its original quality, appearance, and functionality. This phrase is commonly used in contexts where the condition of an object significantly affects its value, such as with collectibles, antiques, cars, toys, books, or electronics. The term mint condition originates from the world of coin collecting. Coins produced by a mint, the facility responsible for manufacturing them, are expected to be flawless when they leave the mint. Over time, this association with perfection expanded beyond coin collecting and became a widely recognized expression to describe any item that remains in impeccable condition. Therefore, when something is said to be in mint condition, it means it has been exceptionally well preserved and has not experienced any deterioration, damage, or visible signs of use since its creation. Collectors often seek items in mint condition because they represent the highest level of quality and authenticity. For instance, a vintage comic book that has been kept in mint condition is likely to fetch a much higher price than one with creases, faded colors, or torn pages. The same applies to action figures, trading cards, or classic cars, where any imperfections or signs of wear can significantly diminish the item's value. The concept of mint condition serves as a benchmark for assessing the worth of such items, making it a crucial factor in determining their desirability and market price. Maintaining an item in mint condition often requires meticulous care, as even slight mishandling or exposure to environmental factors can cause deterioration. This is why collectors often store items in protective cases, climate-controlled environments, or original packaging to ensure they remain as close to their original state as possible. The importance of keeping something in mint condition goes beyond mere aesthetics. It's about preserving the integrity and history of the item, which enhances its appeal to enthusiasts and collectors. In contrast, items that have been used, handled, or exposed to elements over time may be described as being in good, fair, or poor condition, indicating a decline in their quality and, consequently, their value. In conclusion, in mint condition is a phrase that signifies an item's exceptional preservation, maintaining its original quality and appearance, as if it were brand new. This term is widely used in various fields, especially among collectors, to highlight the rarity and value of items that have been kept in perfect shape. It underscores the significance of care, attention, and preservation in maintaining an item's worth, making in mint condition a standard of excellence that adds prestige and desirability to the objects it describes.